Tornado emergency for downtown Chicago and Gary, Indiana. This is a potential mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in Chicago Romeoville has issued a tornado warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois. This includes the city of Chicago. Lake County in northwestern Indiana. This includes the city of Gary. Western Porter County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large, violent, and extremely dangerous tornado was located 8 miles south of New Lenox, or 12 miles southeast of Joliet, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Another large, violent, and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Matson, and was moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for downtown Chicago and surrounding areas. This is a potential mass casualty situation. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, public, and law enforcement confirmed tornado. Cataclysmic damage was reported near Somerton at 9:07 a.m., with entire houses being swept from their foundations. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations in the path of these violent tornadoes include, on the first tornado, Frankfort, Tinley Park, Oak Forest, Midlothian, Robbins, Blue Island, Morgan Park, Roseland, and South Shore, and on the second tornado, Matson, Chicago Heights, Ford Heights, Lansing Municipal Airport, Hartsdale, Indiana, South Gary, Indiana University Northwest, Lake George, Hobart, and South Haven. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground.